While you probably know your iPhone can tell your location wherever you go, did you know it's keeping track of everywhere you frequent? I'm the CyberGuy, and that means your home, your place of work or school, your favorite restaurant, your best friend's house, even a partner's house, all being kept track of. They're called significant locations on your iPhone, and this is how you can view them. Go to your iPhone settings, go to privacy and security, and then location services. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and tap System Services. And then Significant Locations. You'll then see how many recorded spots your iPhone has taken note of in recent months, and you'll even see a map of the most recent location you spent time at and the exact time you spent there. Now, this information is encrypted and Apple can't read it. It's just being used to help your maps, calendar, and photo apps tailor information specifically for you. However, anyone who gets access to your phone can see this. If you want to clear that data away, simply click Clear History and then turn Significant Locations off. To find out more tips about how your devices are invading your privacy, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.